So to make our caterpillar paper chain, we're going to need one piece of paper. I've chosen green. You can choose what colour you want your caterpillar to be. And we're going to cut it into strips. Now, to make it nice and neat, you use a ruler, start at this side, and line it up with the edge of the ruler to the edge of the paper. And just draw a line like this. And then you can see here I have a line. Then if you line up your ruler to your line, you can make lines all across the paper for you to cut along.
Now is your chance to pause the video.
So the next task is going to be cutting all those lines.
Now is your chance to pause the video.
So when you finish cutting all your strips, you're going to have them all here. I actually have this little small one. I don't want to use that one, so I'm going to keep it to the side for later. So we're going to do very similar to how we made our antenna hat and our wings. We are going to make these strips into a circle. So we know we need some glue here on the end. And we're going to stick it like this to make a circle. Now, this is when the kind of tricky part comes in. So you're going to get your next strip ready, put the glue on the end, and then you're going to put this new strip into your circle like this. Okay, and then close it up, and we're starting to make the chain. So you just have to repeat that step. So you put the glue on the end, put it through the other circle, and you have a chain. Now remember, you have to be careful that you don't put them like all on the same loop. We're making a chain, so let me show you. So I need to make sure that I'm not putting it in this middle one. I need to put it on one that is on the end to keep making the chain. Okay. So am I going to put my next strip here? No, I'm going to put it in the one on the end. And keep going.
Now is your chance to pause the video.
So here we have my paper chain. Now I'm going to choose a paper of a different colour to give my caterpillar a head. So I've chosen this lovely bright green. Now for this I'm going to cut a thicker strip than the other one. So I'm not going to use my ruler, but I'm going to make sure that my strip is going to be bigger than this one for its head. Okay. put some glue here and put it through. There we go. And here we're going to have our lovely Caterpillar paper chain. But the last thing I'm going to do is draw some little eyes. So what you want to do here, because we've already made the circle, put your hand inside so you have something to lean on when you draw your eyes. Or maybe you have a nice sticker you can use, or you can cut some eyes and put them on. And a nice smile. And next I'm going to show you how to make some little antenna for your caterpillar too.
Now is your chance to pause the video.
Okay, so for my caterpillar antenna, I've chosen some red paper, and I just got a little piece of red paper. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut, I want my antenna to be a little bit spiky, so I'm going to cut like a triangle shape, like this. It's going to look like this. And he needs two. I'm going to cut another one. There we go. And to stick them on, what we need to do is, and we've done this in class before, we need to fold it a little tiny bit. Can you see here? Because this is where we're going to put the glue. So you're going to add the glue tiny bit to the very end here. Then get your caterpillar's little head and stick your antenna. And the same with the other one. So fold it at the big end, put a little bit of glue, and stick it on your caterpillar's head. And here we have our little caterpillar paper chain. Very beautiful.